at this junction, our beans and potato is ready. I want to heat the red oil small, okay? Yeah. So now I'll be adding onions. Sorry, I added salt off camera, okay? So I'll be using fresh pepper, okay? Stir together. So I'll be adding water. So I'll cover for it to boil. So guys, it is time to add crayfish, okay? What is cooking beans and potato without crayfish? So add crayfish, okay? So now I come in with parboiled beans, okay? Add and stir and cover together, okay? So guys, I came back to check the beans, okay? So the beans is cooking well, so I want to test if there is salt. So at this juncture I discovered that I need to add salt a bit. So tell me in the comment section, do you cook your beans with seasoning cube, or you cook it like that? Remember, I'm cooking beans and potato. Potato is sweet and beans is as well sweet, okay? So in this beans and potato, I won't be adding seasoning cube. So tell me in the comment section, do you add seasoning cube when you're cooking your beans? At times I do add, if I'm cooking only beans, okay? At times I do add small. but today I'm not gonna be adding. Okay, so thumbs up the video. Okay, so guys, I come in with potato. Okay, remember I am cooking beans and potato. So I'm gonna stir together. I'm gonna stir together. Okay, and cover it. So we're gonna check back later. So guys, I did junction. I come back again to check beans and potato. Yes, everything is cooking pretty well. So now I'm going to be adding another crayfish. Yeah, I want the crayfish taste to come out of these beans and potato. Okay, so I'm gonna stir. Yeah, so now I will add these fresh tomatoes. Okay, so just to garnish it a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna cover and come back in the next 5 minutes. So guys, I'm back to check it. Okay, at the junction, our beans and potato is ready. Wow, 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 this is looking so yummy and delicious. Oh my goodness, can you see it? It's looking so beautiful. Okay, don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're just coming across my channel for the first time. You can as well share my video. You can as well join my membership. Okay, click on the join button to join my membership. That is another way to help me. That is another way to support me. You can as well make use of super thanks. Okay, click on the thanks button to give me whatever that you love, whatever you want to give me, whatever you feel like using to support me. Okay, God bless you all for your massive support. Bye bye. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.